I guess today we're here at the car show. Look at all these cars. Nice. Look at this nice Dodge. Looks like a Hemi. Oh my God.
My band does that song too. Groove Clinic. We're going to be at Avalon Resort.
This
It's open to
thing.
the public. 4th of July.
Yeah.
Stop up there 7 to 10 p.m.
Now what the
Anybody
heck?
that shows up at Avalon Resorts and says, "Hey man, I'm one of the little Bill cruisers,"
Wow.
you can have your first drink at regular price. No, really, that's how I roll. That's okay. Then the
This thing's
6th,
weird,
July
but nice.
6th, a couple days later, we'll be at
Now
Quaker
those
Steak
tires
and
don't even look
Lube
like they
in
have any
Sharon,
traction on it.
also from 7 to 10.
This thing's
Quaker Steak
nice,
and Lube
bro.
in Sharon are kind of stretching out 4th of July weekend here. So that'll be fun.
It's in the back.
Come out and see us.
Look at this engine. Heck yeah.
Like the color.
Yep, I like the color of this one too. Wow. Look at this.
Huh?
Look at this one.
Oh.
Whoa. Nice. Now one of my favorites right here. Mustang GT. Look at this. Look at this thing. Look at that engine, bro. Oh my. Whew, thing's big. Dang. Video right now, bro. Look, my friend Vigo just arrived. Wow. Another Mustang GT. Oof. What the? Wow.
Would you whip
What's that red stuff?
That's blood.
That's blood.
Yeah, this is the car they transferred the dead bodies.
Wow. Whoa, look at that. Nah, bruh. Nice, Brody. Wow. This one, the hood lifts up different. Nice. Oh,
Look at that.
car's leaving.
Look at
Oh my God, bro, look at that. Nice. Wow.
what
What
the
is that? Firepower. Huh. Crazy.
It's a big,
Yeah, look at it.
boards.
Some people leave. I never went in and
That's what you
Oh my breast right there. Haha. Look at this one. Yes.
Look, I can see my shadow.
White. It's a white car. Watch the cars pulling out.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I want to see.
Look at this one. The heck?
That's awesome. Unless they've got a bed on top of it.
That whole bed on top of there? Nah, bro. I would definitely sleep in there. In there. Oh, wow. It's like a mini kitchen in
You
there.
live
It's
in one of
crazy.
those, Jonah.
But look how rusty that car is.
That's not rust. That's patina.
Bro, look at these cars moving. Dang. Oh my. Look at that one.
Get Dora's hand. What? No, somebody's coming for it. Say her.
Y'all take one on date.
Look at that MX-5 right there, boy. Mazda MX-5. Nice. Oh, he revving it. That thing. Wow. Bro, you smell that? Oh, look at this nice clean engine. Oh,
It's just idling.
oh my God, that's loud, bro.
It's me.
Corvette leaving.
Look at this Cadillac. So you don't
Oh,
Don't touch, Nora.
wow. Look at so cool. I like this one. Look at that.
Yeah, so shiny.
Ooh. This video doesn't get any views. That much views or likes. I don't know what will.
Nice.
This is nice.
Yeah, got the pink headlights.
Whoa. That guy's loud.
We got some place to go though. Whichever
Yep. Black Mustang. SRT.
Huh?
SRT Hellcat.
Not a Hellcat.
But look at this Jaguar. Oh, wow. Wait for the next car. That one.
By Chevrolet. Yeah, well, yeah. Good
Another Dodge. 392.
What's that mean?
Scat Pack. Let's go. That's loud, bro. That's loud. Corvette.
We're leaving.
Dang, bro. Well, listen to that truck. That truck right there. Listen to that. Brody. Ah,
Let's go right there, maybe.
nice.
Look at that one.
This one? You like this one?
Look at this one.
Look
Maybe.
at that shit. That thing's like on the floor.
Nice.
Jonah.
Sunny eyes.
Jonah.
What do you think?
He's just looking around. He's just like,
Jonah.
Like that?
Yeah, that one. Let's go right there.
Go.
All right. So next car. Let's get another Corvette. 427 Corvette. Nice.
Oh yeah. This one looks cool.
You see the gas cap on these? See the gas cap on these?
Gas cap where?
It's like up here in the back.
Heck, that's the gas cap.
put gas in there?
Gas cap is right there. Wow.
The trunk.
Right on the trunk.
There is no trunk on this.
There's no trunk on this? Wow.
See, look at this one.
Oh, look at this nice Corvette, bro.
It's weird. Like, what's back here? Like,
Nice this engine. Alright. Well, that's loud. Parked all the way by itself. Poor Mustang. It's all by itself. So,
Let's
got that one. Ooh. Nice. Ooh. What?
oh, he's got speakers everywhere. He's got tweeters.
Look,
and
bro, look. He got front and look how he got speakers. Look at that. See that?
Yeah, yeah.
Barely see him.
Buddy, he got big speakers in the back all over the road.
Whoa.
Oh, look at this V8 engine. Heck
That's
yeah.
good side.
Oh, that's loud. Oh, that's loud. Right there, it says V8.
Huh? Where?
In the front.
That's a V8? You tell me that's a V8.
Maybe we
You're off.
It's Ford.
yeah,
Oof. Chevrolet. Nice.
Where the cliff is? You want to go?
No, yeah, we're not gonna go to the cliff.
Cliff edge?
The cliff.
Squishy. Well, these ones over here. Oof. Alright. Nice. Nice orange one. Ooh, look at the headlights on. Look at the headlights.
Huh? It might be less over here than we were when we lived in Canada.
See that? Big old leather
Gonna let
Oh yeah.
get some leather
Okay,
seats.
jump in there after it's sitting. Put your swimsuit on, your shorts.
Some leather seats. Nice.
Touching the
If you guys ever come to a car show, just know to never touch the cars. Alright? Hello, Rami.
glove box.
Is this fun? Hey, Rania, sound asleep.
Right? Reverse.
Rami's awake, and Rania's sound asleep.
Yeah, let's go for a walk.
Yep. It's over here. Huh? Oh, I thought that was a trail. No, let's get over here. I just jumped down on there. We'll get up.
Where did you get to that spot
The red
underneath
Dodge.
the bridge? That spot that goes underneath the bridge, or not underneath the bridge, but where we went in with fishing before. Was it down here? Where we walked to the river.
I don't know where that's at. You went down there, not me.
We went fishing.
Wait, it's right there.
Huh?
It's right there.
No, this isn't. I think it's down a little further. You can get down there from here. Let me see. Is it?
Oh,
Oh, maybe this is it.
we can definitely go down there.
Hey, stop. I got the babies. Does it look like I go down there?
Yes.
Hop in there, probably like.
You and Jonah could go down there.
Yeah, Jonah, want to go down? Jonah, want to go down there?
Yeah, but we're gonna get sent downstream by.
Mommy, can I go too, Mommy?
Careful not to trip.
Don't fall. Don't do that.
I'm not. Whew.
You can smell the river.
Yep.
It's nice out here. That's a chill spot.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Perfect.
Hey, this is the spot where
Yeah. It's a nice and chill spot. There's a lot of bugs.
I remember
I don't know if you can see them on camera. Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Heck yeah. That's so chill.
He's dead.
It's a dead fishy. Okay.
Look how
I wanna
deep.
pick-
That's like a little. Ew.
Dead fishy.
It's like trash.
Oh, yeah. There's something back here. Whew. Let's go.
That water is nasty.
Oh.
It's like stagnant water. I bet there's like a big old alligator.
Yeah, there's no way I'm going in there.
Water. Look at it. It's like it's got film on it.
Yeah, I'm not swimming. No. Imagine we get lost in the woods. That'd be crazy.
Nice right here though.
What?
This little stream.
Oh yeah. I could go down there. Down here.
Huh?
I could swim down here. The stream's not that hard. Definitely. It's pretty good. Bugs everywhere. Make sure not step on poison ivy. I could definitely jump in there and swim.
I think. I would go.
Probably lots of poison ivy.
This is cold.
Yeah.
This is quiet.
Oh, there's a bridge up there.
There's trees overhead.
Well, you can hop on one of these logs.
Yeah, look at this fish in here. There's gotta be some fish in here.
Go on the rock. I did a go on the log.
Wait onto this.
I did a go on the log.
Huh?
Go in there.
This looks cool, like how it's set up. That was a fish.
Yep.
Sure. Is that a tire right there? See it?
A tire?
Water.
There's a tire?
Under the water, at the bottom.
Oh my god, yeah, I see that. I don't know where that is. Let's go. Yeah. Oh god. I hear that. But this is so beautiful though. Look at that. Got a picture of that. Stepping in it. Got the trash everywhere. Alright, we're heading back up. I think I got bit by some bugs down there. Got something in my shoe too. A lot of leaves everywhere. Oh, those leaves. We're back. Yeah, we went like that way too.
How is it?
Good.
I want to go down.
No. Yeah, a lot of trash.
Really?
Yeah, we went down there like that this way too.
Why do people do that?
I don't know.
Trash everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere, bro.
Yeah, look at the places.
Me, mom. All right,
Yeah. I know, but
we're back to the car show. That's pretty cool though. Whew. This is a long video. I've been filming for 17 minutes, bro. No, 18 minutes, not even an hour.
I never used it.
I want to go on the trampoline. What? What?
I know.
What?
Now I know.
I want to go.
Good old days.
see the whole thing?
Whoa, why does it say Jim's Landing? Good guys, look. It says Jim's
wanna
Landing.
go.
Jonah, it says Jim's Landing.
That one's still around though.
What is it?
Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, I don't know why it says Jim's Landing. Ooh, almost dropped the phone.
I mean, you could probably make it down. It's probably hurt a little bit though.
Probably poison ivy over
Does
there.
anybody know what that is? Now that right there.
That's a Hellcat.
Okay.
Yep. Because I see the little tiger thing.
Let's see the red eye.
Red eye? Yeah, yeah, you could jump down there, but it'll definitely hurt a bit.
I definitely need to cut them.
Dirty.
My grandma and grandpa used to live right up there on that hill. 3rd Street, up here on this hill. Their house is up there up the trees. Up in those trees, up on the hill.
Grandparents?
Huh?
Your grandparents?
Yeah. Your great grandparents.
What is in here? Mommy! Mommy, what is in here?
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, if I bring it forward.
Oh, that's loud. they say hi to Beagle?
What?
How does he say hi to Beagle? Take that out. See that? Oh, that was loud.
Over.
Alright, guys. So, I'm just gonna take yours and.
Mommy, people are still there. Mommy, people are here.
Alright.
Yeah, I know, hon.
They're still,
They're getting ready to leave.
no, they're not. They're still here.
We're gonna make this into an apartment.
Oh, this is going to be an apartment building?
Yeah, overlooking the river. Isn't that cool?
Alright.
I'm thinking about going.
That's the end for it. That's the end for now, guys. See you on the next one. Bye, Rania. Bye, Rami. Say bye, Mom.
Bye.